In this video, we're going to unbox the Oben Tab 2M 2-mount tripod accessory bar. This is a horizontal bar that can be used on any tripod with a 3/8 screw or a 1/4 with an adapter. It's nice of Oben to include a carrying case with this. Alright, so here it is. You can change what way the arm goes by loosening this lift lever. And then you can also open that to get it to a position that's different if you need to. The horizontal arm includes 3/8 tripod threads on either side, as well as on the bottom. To attach the horizontal arm to a tripod, you just line the 3/8 thread up and you start spinning this knob here. And as you spin it, before it gets all the way tightened, you can choose the position of the arm and then lock it down. And then to change which way the column goes, you just loosen this knob here and you can slide it one way or the other. And you can also rotate it at this time. And you clamp it down really tight right there. If you want to keep the boom arm from being able to unscrew like this, you'll need to get it tightened and then take a small flat screwdriver and find the set screw on the bottom of your tripod and tighten that down. And once you do that, it's a lot firmer than it was before. To put a ball head or a different accessory on, you just need to take this thread protector off. Take your ball head with a 3/8 inch thread and screw it on. For most setups like this, you'll want to use a quick release plate so you can easily put your camera on, and a ball head will be nice so that you can level it and adjust the camera exactly how you want it. I'd also recommend counterbalancing this, that way it can't just tip over. But the arm is sturdy and is having no trouble holding my camera right there. I purchased this arm specifically to use it with a Manfrotto 131 TC table mount geared column, and it works great with that. I've been using it as an overhead rig for a few weeks now. Thanks for watching this video. If you found value in this content, please give it a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any of our future content.